Hello again, and thank you for joining Jeff and Jenny's Classic Restorations from an outside broadcast. So there's no Jenny out here today. I'm actually let's get it right, in case anyone wants to come. I'm at the Rural Life Working Museum Centre near Farnham, and it's an event organised by the British Two-Stroke Club and by a gentleman called Martin Kemp, who's organised this particular trip. It's just a memorial run in honour of his brother Rupert Kemp. So we've got a few two-strokes, so mine is just the little 50cc, but there's some bigger bikes there as well. But I was told it would be okay to come along. I can probably tag along the back somewhere, and it's all down country lanes. So hopefully we'll go out for a little run in a little while. I'll show you the bikes that are here so far, and then what I'll do, maybe at the end, I'll show you a little bit around the museum if I can. So I'll show you around the bikes, and then we go out for a ride. Right, here we go. So we've got a little bit of a collection. As I say, they're all mainly bigger bikes. I'll show you around them individually. Some are sort of quite modern ones, but yeah, there's our little Fred in the middle there. So let's have a quick look around some of these bikes a little bit closer. All right, here we have a Francis Barnett. So I'm not too up on bigger bikes. I'm into the 50s, but probably somewhere in the 50s, this one. Okay, and we have a couple of Greaves Sports. I'm not sure the size of the engines. This is a Villiers engine. And there's one more over here. Let's have a quick look at that one. Maybe someone can tell me what size engine that is. I could ask someone. They've all gone into the toilets. Okay, this is a Suzuki GT185. I think this is about a 1976. And then we come across a Honda Nu50 Runaway. As you're probably aware, that's our one, Fred. And we've got a Yamaha 200. Lovely condition. I assume a V-reg must be, what, 7980, I suppose. Now we got a Yamaha 100 Deluxe. Just have a quick check of the registration. I can find out what year it is. A Y-reg, what's that? 83 maybe? Well, here's another classic. I think everybody knows the BSA Bantam. If you're into motorbikes, I think a lot of people have those tucked away in the garage somewhere. So that's the BSA Bantam. Now this is a AGS. This is a pre-war motorbike, probably the 1930s. And we have the Benelli 125, 250 rather. That was my first moped, was a Benelli, two-stroke. Well, after a 30-mile run, unfortunately I wasn't able to, we went too quickly for me to set the camera up. I'll try and do it on the way back. But we've ended up after 30 miles at the Lasham Glider airfield. Now this airfield does go back quite a long way now. Over the back there, I don't know if you can see, there's some more larger jets, and I think that used to be the old Dan Air base years ago. Some of the old classic Comets were scrapped over there. So I've heard of the place. I've never been here. I know it is a gliding club now. So yeah, there we go. Here goes someone. I think that must be a PAL glider. Well, finally back at the Real Life Museum. Lovely ride round, about 50 miles altogether. So we went down to Lasham, the glider airport, and then about 20 miles back. They've all gone in for a cup of tea now, but I've got to get home. It's Jenny waiting. So the Honda, Fred, named after my dad, done a fantastic job. Everyone was quite impressed how it kept up with everybody. And so that's that. So I hope you did enjoy this little outing today to Farnham, to the museum, and back to the NVT Easy Rider next week. So you take care. See you next time. Bye.